Everyone, I'm really happy to welcome all of you to Lazada Philippines headquarters here in BGC. So our media partners, our LAS affiliates, and our online community members, thank you for being here. So, Lazada's always pride itself to offer always something better. This partnership represents a better deal, better price, and something that we are proud to offer to our buyers as well as specifically to our Mindanao market as well. So with this, I really am glad that we are going ahead and doing this event to commemorate something very important and special to us. Thank you.
It's kind of long. Thank you for each and every one of you guys for coming, our media partners. Thank you for supporting Honor and of course Lazada. The growth that we're expecting for this campaign is, what number it is? More maybe times 2, times 3 of compared to last year. So we really want to partner with Lazada with this product, and this product is perfect for Lazada. So Alvin and Lazada, thank you for welcoming us in your home, and thank you for each and every one of you guys being here.
So round of applause everyone. Again, thank you for your kind words, Mr. Alvin Ching and Sir. Exchange plus the tokens action. Stand up. Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a huge thank you to everyone who's been part of this incredible endeavor.